Welcome to your AI Tip, the smartest way to rethink how you work, a micro-series by the Revenue Rewired podcast. AI can't learn if you keep rewriting its work. Here's a pattern I see all the time. A leader runs something through ChatGPT, for example, doesn't like it, rewrites the whole thing, and moves on. Then complains later that this AI is just not working. Here's the truth. You never taught it anything. If you skip feedback and jump straight to editing, you're not scaling, you're babysitting. The tool didn't get better, you just did more work. Want to actually train AI to work for you, you have to start showing your receipts. Drop in your rewrite. Tell it what was off and be specific. This was too formal. This missed the nuance. It's lacking emotion. This doesn't sound like me. You can't coach what you won't confront. So if you're always doing cleanup instead of collaboration, you'll never get past mediocrity. The key takeaway is if you keep rewriting without retraining, AI will keep repeating your mistakes. You're not scaling clarity, you're just resetting the same loop. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this 2-minute AI tip. And if you'd like more information, go ahead and reach us at podcast@stringcaninteractive.com or follow the show. Have a great day.